Welcome to this video. Van Camper Woody here. My little buddy Nebo's in the jump seat. Well, 5 nights here at Clark Canyon. My final time this year staying here. And it's time that I got to start camping my way back east. So I'll be back over there by October for mine and Nebo's doctor's appointments. So we're heading south today. We're heading for a pilot. So we can get us a shower. Then we're going overnight in a Walmart. And so I'll probably catch up with y'all at the Walmart in the morning. So catch you on the other side. Welcome back to this side of the video. Like I said, it's time. We're gonna be making our camping stays a little bit shorter as we head east. There's a couple of places that we must stop at that we have plans on. So, but leaving Montana today. I've been here since spring, early spring actually. There was still snow all around, but this is where we're going. Back out here to this main little road here. We'll make a left and go back to Interstate 15. All right, folks, we're getting on Interstate 15. Here we go. still have not made it here to where we're going to get our shower at here. Idaho Falls. Boy, that's a long 120 miles. But it is what it is. Looking forward to that shower. So we're going to get off here at exit 113 here in a little bit. Get cleaned up, get together, and then before we come back up to the Walmart, we decide we're going to stay at the Love's where we're going to be at tonight. So, bear with us, we're almost there. Alright folks, welcome to this side of the video. I stopped and got my shower in Love's. All cleaned up, no place to go. Actually, we're going over to the Walmart here on the other side of town. We're going to spend the night there and get stock up in the morning. And where we're headed to. So bear with me, we'll catch you on the other side. Okay, we have made it to Idaho Falls at the Walmart. That's where we're going to spend the night at. Get up in the morning, like I said earlier. Get our get stocked up, and it's gonna be it. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Realize it was mostly just a driving video. So I appreciate each and every one of y'all, all my heart, I really do. Welcome to your new ones. Y'all stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling. We'll catch y'all on the other side.